Alright, what's up guys? Back with the Yamaha. Got the pot working, obviously. I repaired the shaft. I should have probably made a video on just how to repair a shaft. The pot was actually frozen in one spot too. Not that it's easy to change positions. It will leave a blister on your finger. The grippies are, and it's stiff. The bridge is really cool. The lights are really cool. The tapered design is really cool. Hardwood on the front and the back, softwood in the middle. The Fernandez neck joint. 3 on a side is cool. Epiphone neck angle, maybe Ibanez too. That plate on there doesn't seem to be a problem like the internet says it is. Maple neck, painted rosewood fretboard, no fret dots on the front, which is fine. It's like the Parker Fly. Neck pickup sounds fantastic. Let's put it in the middle here. And these are P90 size holes with humbuckers in there, which is interesting. Yeah, the lights are cool. There is no tone pot, just volume and pickup selector. Middle position here. harmonics on the neck pickup, by the way.